You put it together. Come now, we don't have all day like Faraday. Get it like Faraday Future? Okay, you do better. Anyways, FF started the trial production phase of its newly unveiled first-class EAMPV model, the FX Super One, at its Hanford, California factory. This phase is primarily focused on planning and verifying production processes, operational workflows, and quality standards to ensure a smooth and efficient production process. In parallel, engineers and production staff at the Hanford factory are undergoing specialized training to support production readiness. Following this phase, the company will proceed with comprehensive vehicle engineering, which includes extensive safety testing and validation to ensure that the FX Super One meets the highest standards of quality, performance, safety, and end-user experience. The FX Super One was unveiled on July 17th in Los Angeles and showcased the Super EAI FAC and the FFAI Embodied AI Agent 6x4 architecture. The vehicle is positioned as an EAI MPV that aims to redefine the traditional mobility experience, targeting the same market segment as luxury vehicles such as the Cadillac Escalade. Faraday Future's Hanford factory, named FFAI Factory California, is a 1.1 million square foot manufacturing and production facility that has received approximately $300 million in investment so far. With additional investment and permitting, the facility could become capable of producing more than 30,000 vehicles annually and support mixed-line manufacturing or assembly for multiple models. The company has recently completed a new round of financing commitment totaling $105 million, which is expected to nearly cover the launch of the FX Super One. This investment will likely play a crucial role in supporting the production and launch of the vehicle. Then, mark August 12th on your calendar, because at 4:50 p.m. Eastern Time, FF Global President Jerry Wang will participate in the upcoming J.P. Morgan Auto Conference. He'll provide an update on the company's strategic roadmap, including progress across its AI-driven mobility initiatives, key product developments, and priorities for the remainder of 2025. The presentation will be followed by a Q&A session with investors, allowing them to engage with Wang and gain further insights into the company's vision and goals. A live webcast of the presentation will be available, and access details will be shared on the company's investor relations website closer to the event. A replay of the webcast will also be posted to the website following the conclusion of the conference, ensuring that investors can access the information at their convenience.